Understanding Write on Demand, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, write on demand. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Write on demand refers to the ability or requirement to write something as soon as it is requested. This phrase is often used in professional and academic contexts where writing tasks need to be completed within a specific time frame. It's about being ready to write efficiently and effectively whenever needed. This phrase is commonly used in academic environments, such as during exams or when completing assignments. Professional settings, like journalism, where reporters must write news articles quickly. Creative industries, where scriptwriters or authors need to produce content under tight deadlines. 1. Practice regular writing. The more you write, the easier it becomes to write on demand. 2. Understand the topic. Having a good grasp of the subject matter can speed up the writing process. 3. Time management. Learn to allocate time efficiently for brainstorming, drafting, and revising. 4. Stay calm under pressure. Keeping a clear mind helps in producing quality content quickly. It's not about rushing. Quality is as important as speed. Doesn't always mean immediate writing. Sometimes, it allows for some planning and research. Write on demand is a valuable skill in many areas of life, especially in academic and professional settings. We hope this video helps you understand and master this concept. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.